press the Enter key to select the brand of the syringe and move to the next screen, in which we can see the programming modes. We'll use rate and volume, confirm. Now we'll inform the speed of the infusion. Let's select 10 milliliters per hour and confirm. Next step, we must inform the volume of this infusion. Since we are using a 60 ml syringe, let's put 60 milliliters and confirm. The pump now shows the direction of the infusion, which will be from the right to the left. In the main screen, it's showing the size of the syringe, status of the battery, the time, the rate, volume, and time. It means the duration of the infusion. In the lower part of the screen, it's showing press start. I can start the infusion by pressing the green and red key. In the infusion screen, the information showed here basically will be the same with the addition of the speed of the infusion in milliliters per hour. During the infusion, there are some parameters we can change and functions we can activate. First of them is clear volume, which is basically clear the volume that is showed here on the screen. Once we press this key, the pump puts a question asking if we want to erase the volume. We put yes and confirm, and the volume that is showed here goes to 0. The next function we have is the bolus. This is one way to infuse a certain amount of liquid in a higher speed. The basic parameter is 1 milliliter with the maximum speed of the syringe, and we can change it in the MF key. Going to bolus adjustment, change the parameters. In this case, I will change to 2 milliliters and confirm. To activate the function, we press it once and confirm. The pump will now infuse 2 milliliters with the maximum speed of the syringe. Another parameter we can change during the infusion is the speed. Going to MF, we select titration, confirm, and here I can change the parameters of the infusion without stopping it. In this case, let's change it to 20 milliliters per hour, confirm. Let's keep the volume fixed and confirm. After I press the enter, the new infusion rate is shown on the screen. To stop the infusion, we press the green and red key once and the pump starts the KVO rate. By pressing it again, the infusion is completely stopped. To restart it, we must press the same key again.